So I'm going to eat something that you would never believe. A salad. Okay? All the haters out there, this is for you. And yes, I have cheddar cheese in it. Of course I do. Can't have a salad without cheddar cheese. What are you, stew nod? Okay. We'll start with the cheddar cheese. Nice. More cheddar cheese. Oh man, I had a lot of cheese today, I tell you. Had all that mozzarella cheese on the portobello mushrooms. I'm having cheddar cheese. I'm going to take a nice crab probably. You know, the salad's delicious with that good seasoning. I love that good seasoning. I don't think anybody ever did I don't know if it's mukbang, whatever it's called, of a salad before. Tomato. Cucumber. Cucumber and cheese. Tomato, cucumber, and lettuce. Salud, Janai.